What if you could embed and showcase any content on your site without coding? We'll show you how. With EmbedPress WordPress plugin, you can embed 250+ content platforms and unlimited web pages and posts in one click. Embedding support for Gutenberg editor and popular page builders like Elementor. For other page builders, generate and embed with shortcode. Moreover, embed PDFs or embed 3D flipbook in WordPress. Customize the appearance without coding. Any source you know with EmbedPress. But it's only the start. EmbedPress Pro offers analytics, branding, access control, custom ads, personalized players, and all. Embed video or audio. Customize playback control, colors. Open a new channel for earning revenue. Run ads on your embedded contents. Add visibility conditions on embedded PDFs and others. Show your own logo or branding on anything you embed. Explore your embedded content performance. Get all insights with analytics. Whatever your website niche is, EmbedPress is the ultimate plugin for you. Show unlimited multimedia content to skyrocket engagement and conversion. Get started with EmbedPress today.